How to add a logo to your checkout page on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step what we need to do to add a logo to our checkout section. So basically, if we just go to customize here and we go to the checkout page, I don't think I can actually show you how it actually looks like for this test store because we can't really do that right now. But I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So if we just go back to homepage just so we uh, avoid all of this. Sorry about that. Okay, so to add our logo, basically just go to online store, go to themes, and then from here you can just go to customize like I just did. And from here, we are just going to go to the theme settings option on the left panel, which should be a gear icon. Just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, you want to scroll right down to the bottom. And you should find the checkout option here. So just go ahead and click on the checkout option. And then from here, you will want to scroll down a little bit. And then you will find the logo here, the logo option. So once you find the logo option, you'll want to obviously click on select image. And then from here, you would want to click on add images if you did not add it already. Let me just remove that. And then we can just go ahead and find a logo. So I'm just going to be using this as an example, but obviously this is not our logo, but I'm just going to be using it as an example. And then once it actually loads in, we can just go ahead and click on done. And like I said, unfortunately, I cannot really show you how it's actually going to look like, but for you, it should work completely fine and it should actually show up on top of your page. And not only that, but we can even do more stuff here as well, like the actual position. We can position it to be on the left. We can position it to be on the center or even to the right of our checkout page. And we can also select the logo size here, so we can actually make it small, medium, or large, which is a great way to customize it here. And we can also always just go ahead and add our banner image also from the same place here, so we can always just go to checkout, banner, add our images here, and also the background image and stuff. But yeah, pretty much what we are focusing on is the logo here. Just go to checkout and then add your logo in here, and you can always select the positioning and the logo size of it. Now this is completely separate from the entire store logo. For that part, you will want to also go for theme settings, logo, and it would be in here where you can just go ahead and select image, and you can just go ahead and add your image in your Shopify homepage. But this is not going to be related in any way to the checkout. If for the checkout, this is the only thing that is actually going to affect it, this section right here. So this is pretty much how to add a logo to your checkout page on your Shopify. Hopefully you found this video to be easy to follow, and thanks for watching.